Start. Hello friends, मेरा नाम सुरेंद्र कुमार है and today I am going to talk about time management. And I think that every student or every person of India have to improve their skill. And in modern time, the most important skill is English. तो हम अपने वीडियो के माध्यम से ये बताने की कोशिश करेंगे कि इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कैसे आप सीख सकते हैं और इसके लिए कोई ना कोई टॉपिक चाहिए होता है। तो हमारा फर्स्ट टॉपिक है टाइम मैनेजमेंट और इसमें हम कुछ देर इंग्लिश में बात करके आपको कोशिश करेंगे कि आप भी मोटिवेट होइए अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए। सो गाइस, if you think closely, what is time management? If you want to success in your life, then you have to manage your time. If you see the leaders like Narendra Modi, like Apple founder Steve Jobs, and any other leader, so what is the difference? That a common person is unable to manage their time and the person who is successful in their life, they are manage their time, and everyone knows that there is 24 hours in a day, and we know and we understand or read a very famous quotation that time is money. So what we learned from our school gave us diary. In that diary, we note down our daily work. But as the student grown up, they forget to maintain their diary. So I wish that every student take a new diary and arrange their proper work on diary. So while doing this small thing, you will learn how you can improve themselves and get easily successful. Thank you.